So I'm unboxing. I don't know when this video will be seen because I have so many videos I gotta load to you guys. But when I get my meditation items, I don't unbox them in my meditation room. I try to only bring my phone in when I'm recording. I don't bring any food, any drinks, nothing goes in my spiritual meditation room. And even when I unbox certain things, I unbox them outside of that room. I smudge them, cleanse them with my Santos or sage, whatever I decide to use, and then I place them inside the room. You guys will be seeing these added to the room, and I'll be putting the stickers in them because each of these are a different chakra. As you know, I'm going through the chakras on my channel and sharing the different types of singing bowls and the different notes that they hold that resonates with different chakras. And I will also be going in depth of the mallet. I wanted to get some different mallets for these bowls, so I'm excited to try these. I haven't tried the suede acrylic mallets, which is what these are. So yeah, let me get these unboxed, show you what they look like, and smudge them, and then place them in the room and put their stickers in them. So these bowls are the crown and the sacral. So the bigger one is the crown and the smaller one is the sacral. And I have my Palo Santos that I'm going to smudge with it. So let's get these open and smudged. I will say they come really well packed. And these are the suede mallets. I don't know if they, I don't know, never had them, so I don't know how they're supposed to look. Look like they were dipped in like a rubber, so the suede won't. First time using them, so I'm excited about those. They sure put a lot of stuff in here. And then these are the rings that you set them on. Boom. And let's get my babies out. Yeah. And move the box. I'm going to be getting some bags and stuff for my bowls. I have one for, I think Rizzy has one for her bowl, and I have one for my original first bowl. But I want bags to be able to transport these. And I want to get a really big bag so I can put, like, see, they have two in here. So it's the 9-inch inside of the, oh, let me put this down because you can hear it making that noise on the granite. So those rings protect it. So this is the 9-inch. Yes, a beauty, a beauty. And this is the sacral. Let's see how it plays just off a whim. Hold on. Oh, wow. Wow. I was watering plants, so I had a tray sitting over there. I'm going to set that down for right now. Let's move some of this stuff out my background. And let's see. Let's get more of a focus. And let's get all this out of here. I can definitely use this when it's time to pack. I can definitely use that. Don't want to toss that. And this is the 9-inch crown. 11. So this one is the crown, and that's the sacral. Yep, this is the 11-inch crown, and that one was the 9-inch F note, and this one is the, I believe, D note, if I'm not mistaken. Let's get these little fuzzies and stuff. I hate when it's little imperfections, but everything happens for a reason. Let's see how this plays really quick. Let's see, guys. Oh, it's like as soon as you touch it, it does make this like weird. Let me see, maybe I should go that way. Whoa. 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 It just has like this. I guess it's kind of, let me see if I put it more on the edge. I don't like that noise. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So that's the crown. And we're going to put the sticker in it after I smudge it. So we're just going to smudge these and set my intent into them. And I'm just doing it in the kitchen. Set my intent into them and then take them into my meditating spot. Seeing 533 pop up. I love angel numbers. I always pay attention to them. Okay. So I just go in and just speak to my spirit guides, God, universe, angels, ancestors. If there's anything unlike me, anything that is not good, any low vibrant energy connected to these bowls, please remove it and only allow the intention of me and my energy to be set into these bowls so that they may work their magic the way God created them to work through my sound healing for the people that I'm here to serve. And that's it. Just a little smudge and set the intention for what I want. So if it's anything not like my energy around these bowls or anything, let it be removed. And I also smudge these sticks as well, just cleansing them from anything or any energy that is unlike me. And see how the smoke is coming up through the top? Did y'all see that? I don't know if it's still, you can't see it probably in the camera. So anything that's unlike me, let it be removed. All right, so they are done. Let's put the stickers in and take them in the room. All right, that's the crown, chakra sticker, and the solar plex sticker. And off to the meditation room they go. So they are in the space, and it is here, and then there where I sit. Got the 4 around me. And I'm going to play them for you so you can see how powerful the crown. The most powerful ones that really resonate with me are the crown, the third eye, and the root. Like those are just like, woof, woof. My first baby was this one here. And, you know, that definitely resonated. That was the heart. That was the beginning of this journey some time ago. But the crown and that root, listen, let me tell y'all, that's a whole nother level of beauty. Beauty, beauty. So let's get into hearing this one and hearing that one and let you guys see how they sound.